Good morning everyone. Today we are going to perform experiment number 16 of Principles of Electronic Communication, that is use VCO to generate the wave and measure its frequency deviation. So here we are using VCO IC 8038. In this experiment we are going to measure the frequency deviation. The formula for calculating frequency deviation is delta F equal to Fc minus F mean. So here first we will calculate the F mean, and F mean is what? F mean equal to 1 upon T max. For calculating T max we will measure different modulating signal amplitude, that is Vm. Now to calculate Fc, first we measure the Tc. And what is Tc and what is Fc? Fc equal to inverse of Tc, that is Fc equal to 1 upon Tc. So this is the experimental kit for FM modem, that is it consists of both modulation as well as demodulation. So for modulation, here we are using IC 8038, and for demodulation we are using PLL IC 565. So to measure TC here without any connection, so here IC 8038 is at the FM modulation and PLL 565 at the demodulation side. Now to measure TC without any connection at the output of IC 8038, we will measure the frequency in output in CRO. So let's calculate TC. So this is the time period. So this TC stands for one. It consists of one complete cycle. So this is T mean, and that one is T max. So TC, what is TC? Here it is 1.6 into 5 microsecond time per division. Okay, then in order to calculate FC, it will become 1.6 into 5 microsecond. Calculate it, you will get the value of FC here. Now move to the observation table. First, in the first observation table, we have to vary the amplitude Vm and keep the frequency Fm constant. So first calculate here Tm. So this is the signal. So Fm is equal to 1 upon, if you find out the Fm at Tm, then you can easily calculate the Fm. So in order to calculate Tm, so this is the signal generator. The carrier signal is inbuilt here in this kit, so here only modulating signal is given. So signal generator generates the modulating signal, and modulating signal is given to the IC 8038, and the output of IC 8038 we will get the FM signal. So this is the FM signal which we have received at the CRO. The FM signal consists of contraction and expansion. If you can see, there is a contraction and in some part there will be a expansion. So this is the contraction part, and this is the contraction part. That means what? It has high frequency, and this part is the expansion part, that means it has low frequency. Now connect the, here we have to calculate the modulating signal amplitude. Now connect the signal generator and measure the amplitude of sine wave. So here the amplitude is it is 0.6, it is 0.6 into, it is at 1 volts per division. So it is 0.6 into 1, that is 0.6 volt. Now measure Tmax. So how will you measure Tmax? So I'll tell you what is T mean and what is Tmax. So in this signal, this portion, this part where it is crossed, this is T max, where it completes one cycle, that is T max, and before that part, this part is the T mean, where first crossing is there. So this is T mean and that one is T max. So now T mean, T max, we have to calculate the T max. So here T max is equal to, it is at 1.6, T mean is at 1.6 and T max is at 1.7. So 1.7 into time per division is at 10 microsecond. 1.7 into 10 microsecond. Now in order to calculate F mean, what we have to do, 1 upon 1.7 into 10 microsecond. If you calculate it, you will get the value. Now delta F is what? Fc minus F mean. So we know what is F mean. We know the value of F mean from this part. Now we have to calculate the value of Fc. Okay. So and we also know the value of Fc. So calculate it. Now we'll take one more reading. So this is the variable adjustment amplitude variation adjustment. We can vary the amplitude here. Now the amplitude is at 1 into 1 volt. T max, now we will calculate the T max. It is at 1.8 or 1.8 into 10 microsecond, and F mean is equal to what? 1.8 into 10 microsecond. Then you will get the F mean. And as we know the value of Fc and we know the value of F mean, you can easily get the value of frequency deviation. If you calculate it, you can easily get the value of frequency deviation. So this is the first observation table. Now in the next observation table, what we have to do, we have to vary the frequency here and we have to keep the amplitude constant. In the previous part we have varied the amplitude, here we have to keep the constant amplitude. So this is the amplitude variation knob and this is the frequency variation knob. We will keep amplitude variation knob constant and vary the frequency variation knob. Now here we will get the FM output at the output of signal generator. Now vary the frequency knob and you will get the time period. First calculate T max. First calculate the T time period here. It is 1.2. Modulating signal frequency is 1.2 into 0.1 millisecond. For calculating the T max, if you calculate the T, then you can easily find out the value of F, 1 upon 1.2 into 0.1 millisecond. If you know the value of T, you can easily calculate the value of F. Now T max, now for calculating T max, what you have to do? It is at 1.8. It is 1.8 into 10 microsecond. Now if you know the value of T max, you can easily calculate the value of F mean. Calculate it. Then delta F equal to Fc minus F mean. We know the value of Fc and we know the value of F mean. Now taking the difference, we will get the frequency deviation. Now we will take one more value. Now calculate the frequency of modulated signal. For calculating the frequency of modulating signal, first calculate the time period, vary the frequency knob, and calculate the time period. One complete cycle, it is at 2.2 into 1 millisecond. If you know the value of t, you can easily calculate the value of f. And Tmax value, calculate the Tmax value. It is at 1.8 into 10 microsecond. So you can, using this formula, you can easily calculate the value of Tmax 1.8 into 10 microsecond. If you know the value of f mean and fc, you can easily calculate frequency deviation. So this is all about your experiment number 6, that is generate FM signal using VCO. I hope you have understood the practical. Thank you.